drop top time again here at Unique, especially in classics. This particular one, 2000 Chevrolet Camaro SS convertible. Particular car is in navy blue metallic, paint code number 28, neutral leather interior, has just a tad over 70,000 miles, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, adult owned and driven, stored indoors, well taken care of vehicle. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the engine bay, check out the undersides of this car, the interior trunk. You'll be able to see pics with the top up, top down. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, you can always call us too at 507-386-1726. Let you get a good look at the fascia. And again, you got to remember this car is 20 years old. But as far as condition, pretty nice. You're going to find a few little touch-up spots have been taken care of on the hood, which you're going to have on a car with 70,000, but overall paint shows very nice. Interior also in nice shape. Equipped with power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, and we're going to start this up. Let you check out that engine bay before we end this video. It's riding on brand new tires, less than 50 miles on the Toyo radios that are installed on it. Of course, the chrome SS wheels. Sorry about the glare on the camera there, but as you can see, nice reflection coming off that dark navy paint. Here's your neutral interior, leather bucket seats, center console, 6-speed manual transmission, and you can see carpeting, floor mats, everything else also in nice shape on this one. Nicely equipped too, power top. It is a camel or neutral colored top, and we'll take a look at that before this video is over. We're also going to slip around to the driver's side, start it up. This car does have a mild cam to it. Headers, a little different throttle body, and newer coils. So this car sounds great, and it will get up and move. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. That SS spoiler on the rear. Speaking of rear, check out the rear seats. Again, nice shape. We're going to pop the driver's door here in a second, check out the exact equipment, show you the condition of the driver's seat. But first of all, let's look up and down the driver's side, see a nice reflection coming off that paint all the way to the front door. Chrome SS wheels also in nice shape, and again, riding on brand new rubber. All right, let's go ahead and check out this driver's seat. It is power, and you can see seating area, bolster shows a little bit of wear, just a tad bit of wear through. That is just that one side on the bolster. Other than that, dash, not showing any sign of sun fading, cracking, anything like that. By the way, all the steering wheel controls do work. You have power locks, power mirrors, power windows, all working fine. Tilt and cruise also works. And again, I mentioned AC blows cold. So I'm going to start this up. I want you to hear this. Like I said, it's got headers, a little bit of a cam. Definitely sounds good. Also, you're going to notice that there are no warning indicators, check engine light, anything like that. Just up here, that's a seat belt since I don't have it on. There you can see your exact miles, 70,316. Radio works. Again, all the steering wheel controls, windows, locks, in working order. Now, I want you to take a little bit of a listen. Nice sounding car. Slip around to the back so you can hear this. Again, this 5.7 liter LS1 power, and then massage just slightly after that. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. I'm going to pop the hood. Let's check out that engine bay, and we'll put the top up and wrap up this video. All right, so first off on the hood, we do have a forced air induction hood. Try to keep the glare off. Take a look up there, inlet side of the hood, and as you can see, it's going to come in there, through and around, back out this vent right here into the front air filter, which feeds all along through there. So you do have a forced air hood on this. There's your MSD coil packs. That would be coil above plug technology. You're also going to have a TPIS throttle body, and as you can hear and see, mild cam, and then headers also down through there. Professionally done. Sounds good. Runs good. Be a fun one. All right. And again, that is paired up with that 6-speed manual transmission. I'm going to turn it off a second, close up the hood, and we'll put that top up, check that out, and finish up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here we go with the top up. Again, power top, camel in color. I haven't really noticed any rips, tears, holes, anything like that. Glass rear window. Does have rear defog in it. And again, you'll be able to check out the still pictures of this top, along with all the other still pictures of the car from the underside engine bay. Looks good. What you'd expect from a car with approximately 70,000 miles on it is original top. There you go, 2000 Camaro SS convertible. Clean Carfax. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in